riders, dude. Should I still wheel it?
No, definitely don't.
We got a few phone calls that you guys were out here. Have IDs on you?
Guys, today we are back north of the city and we're doing a collab again with Big E. We're riding gas bikes. Now this tire is super bald, but we do have a brand new one over here in the garage that we'll put on soon, but we're just gonna run the bald tire today. So let's go see Big E. All right guys, we're headed down to go see Big E. And I think we're both trying to practice wheelies on the gas bike. Then we're gonna ride the e-bikes at some point soon too, but gas bikes today. Hopefully find a lot. I think Eric found a lot that we should be able to practice in, so we'll see. These are the roads that the smartphone is made for, dude. All right, pulling up. Brother.
Long time no see.
What's good, bro? 401.
That's okay, man.
It's good, buddy. Good to see you, dude.
This is my boy Jeff.
Connor, nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, you see the fucking van, dude?
I did. I saw yours and your dad's. They're sick, bro. We got to do a van trip in them. I was just doing some shit to mine. All right, well, ABS is staying on for now. Let's go. Oh, baby. God damn, these Harleys are quick, bro. Dude. This is what Harley riders do, guys. Just Harley guys holding hands.
That's it, man. That's what Harley guys do.
It is. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes. All right, this seems to be the lot. Oh, beautiful. We need to get used to this again. It's a little hilly. Look at Big E go. Brother, you're killing it. Woo! You're killing it. Dude, your wheelies are better on that right now than mine are on this.
More seat time.
Yeah, I know. I need to practice. This is a beautiful lot.
Dude, it's so nice. I just hope it doesn't get like blown out, you know what I mean?
All right, I need to get some wheelies in, dude.
Get some practice in. We're clocking in, baby.
Yeah, buddy, let's do it. All right, guys, I'm going to come to the lot every day now. It's decided. Chaseroni. Big E is grinning ear to ear, as he should be. His seat time is paying off. And he's dropping back and actually slowing it down, unlike me. I need to just get it right up, bro. Stoppy. Stop being a pussy and drop back.
Come on, dude.
Dude, I'm being...
How am I telling you what to do?
I know, dude. What has happened?
You're the one that knows, dude.
I've devolved.
Oh, I can't believe I came back, I scraped, and I was like, oh God, I can't. I'm like, I'm being a bitch right now.
You are kicking ass on the fucking 10,000-pound bike, buddy.
Come on. I'm used to them heavies, you know?
You like a heavy on the back, don't you?
Nothing wrong with that, man. Bang a 10, dude. They made your year. You bang a 5?
You made their year.
5.
Whoa! There we go. That was balance one, I think. Almost balance one. Oh my God, that thing like jumped. Ninox. It's crazy as people like stand up, fucking scrape those things and do all that crazy shit. It's nuts. I know what I have to do. I'm just being a pussy. Your seat time paying off. My lack thereof showing.
No, you're looking good, bro.
Dude, it's got me motivated. I'm like, I need to get out here every day and just practice again.
Dude, it's nice having like somewhere where we can just like chill. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I'm like, did you see me come down sideways?
Yeah, dude, up there, you were like, I'm like, oh!
I don't know if it's just because I have like no grip on the tire left. Like,
Damn, that thing is pretty flat. That's exactly what it is. You're hitting that sidewall, and it's turning you to the side. That was it right there. The one thing Big E and I were talking about is this thing really doesn't have anything holding you in. Like, I might want to like try and add some sort of foam to this backseat portion because I just slide right off. I'm not making excuses. I can be better, but I'm just saying it is a little harder. It's literally though, once you get to balance point, dude, you just slide. Closer. Haha, that's really where we need to be, but I'm just afraid of. Oh!
Wanna stay with me, lay with me tonight.
When life gets rough, how can I complain? I got bros in jail, so it could be worse. I put up the bread for my broski's funeral, that was my first time booking a hearse. I sold coke to the white people in the ends, I'm glad that my hood's diverse. I'm writing a verse and my sis told me that my niece is listening, please don't. How do I put this pain into words? Like a bullet from a gun, it burns. Slept on a bando sofa and I woke up with spots on my face from germs. I feel betrayed by my girl, you were ungrateful when I gave you the hurt. Even though I'm a man, I should hide it, I swallow my pride and say that it hurts. I'm lit right now, I got motion.
let's go. Nice. Bruh, come on, man.
Dude, both of them flew open. Your water bottle committed suicide again?
The bagger life, man.
The bagger
life. Oh my God,
life.
shit fell out.
Yeah, it's all over there again.
Yo, this bag broke. That's cool. You wanna go get a beer soon?
When I met you in that hotel room, I could tell that you were so bad news. But I keep messing with you, messing with you.
Oh, fuck.
The fuzz!
12.
Let's rip it still.
We almost had it, Connor.
Should I still wheelie?
No, definitely don't wheelie.
Hey, how's it going? Good. We did not know. Oh, okay. Yeah, we can get out of here. It's all good. You're just doing your job.
It's nice. It's over.
Yeah.
We're just trying to keep it off the street, that's all.
Phone number for you, sir.
We're gonna find all the warrants for your arrest.
Why would you say that? They're gonna find yours. You know, just saying, I wasn't wheeling. You see, like out here, you can't even go, like, don't call the SWAT team. Even though, what's that fucking GTA, like, wasted?
Wasted, yeah.
It's all your fault, bro. You come home, that sucks.
Hey, dude, I have like the basically silent bike here.
Bro, my bag just broke fully, so it's a lot of fun.
Dude, it's a tough day for you right
It's a bad day, bro. I'm gonna wait there and be like, what are they doing?
I was gonna say, dude, let's like finish getting our clips. Well, this lot is cooked now, but I was just waiting for her to yell at me for my tag. I saw her like bending over to find it.
See that chick? She was hot. She said, what's that little Husqvarna thing? I think she blinked at you.
Papi's Tavern. That was fun. Big E got the cops called on us. I think he called them on us,
No,
but
we never knock on nobody.
we blew up the spot. So I'm gonna find us another spot. I'm gonna make things right. I'll find us a new spot. You know that looks like a nice parking lot right back there.
Just right here, bro.
You know, refill up on a beer here. But all right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Plenty of videos to come. Electric next time.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
All right, peace.